Hey, hello VRP. We're Monday, 30th of June. I wish you well. We're gonna talk about crypto this week. We have some nice news on nice project for you. Bullbag. We'll talk also obviously about liquidity providing, which is our main target on this community. We aim to make 10% income on your saving every month. You hear it. So just let's dive in and see what happened. We have some members which ask us more details to build their own strategy. In fact, we have a school session in the community, but we gonna add in top of that, and we have good news for you because you have a lot of questions when you want to get into liquidity pool. You don't really know how to rebalance your liquidity position. For the first move, it's always uh, kind of not risky, but you are scared about it because it's the first time. That's normal. And you don't know which asset you should put or keep for your bull bag. So we decided to help you to find some nice response on all these questions. And we're gonna set a 6-week coaching for you when you start in the liquidity operating, or also when you start in trading, or when you start uh, um, in crypto. You can follow the training. And if you are willing to invest more than 20K, that's good to subscribe to this new proposition of 6 week to be part of a group, a classroom, which gonna be together. And you can find all the details of an education program which gonna last for 6 weeks. And you will have specific classroom, 2 sessions every weeks, where you can ask any question, and we'll have experts which will help you to reply to your question and set your target on your own profile strategy. That's it for this new process. In June, we have some amazing news. On the 1st of June, we're gonna have the reply of the SEC to validate the ETF on Ethereum. So that's really important on Ethereum price. That's a good time to get into Ethereum. I think that's the last time to get into Ethereum right now. The price is really low. It's gonna blow up. You're gonna see that. We have also hyperliquid projects on the 5th of June in a few days, which is going to be listed into Coinbase. And generally, when the crypto is listed on Coinbase, the price is skyrocketing for one day. So that's a good trade to think about it. And we have on the 16th of June the Japan interest rate decision. On that's tricky. Even the economic schedule now, they put the birthday of Trump. I think it's funny. By the way, we have some technical indicator, but now the indicator, which is the main one, is really the X Trump profile, and there's a lot of noise around it. So you have to keep focused on think about the basic why you enter in crypto or why you do crypto. On the geopolitics side, we finally have a more zen attitude between Iran and Israel, and Trump did the job. Right now, Trump is focusing now on Fed to get interest rate lower, and also he has a discussion with Canada, which impose a tax on high technology products coming from the US. So he replied with a 400% upside in tariff. So that's still a lot of noise. But let's dive into why we're in crypto and what is the momentum now in crypto. We have just news act now. Stablecoin is official money with the USDT, and we have eCycle, which came into Wall Street with USDT on EuroC. And we have agreement now with Mastercard, which make an agreement with Chainlink, which can touch 3 billion users which can buy crypto. That's the retail. That's what the type of news we want to see to get the price up in crypto. We also have Texas, which now puts some reserve in gold, but also now Bitcoin for their money. And we have a Fed which also approve that the banking can get crypto into their account. So that's the open door for the institution to buy more crypto. So that's why we think Ethereum is the basic blockchain for all these projects, especially tokenization on real world assets narrative, which is really booming, and you're going to see that the volume is huge on Ethereum. The state are still printing money, so that's good news. They didn't really change anything on their um, position, so they still need to print a lot of money to cover the debt, so that's good for the crypto market. And see that after the war and everything, on all the noise last week, the SP 500 finally closed at its all-time high at 6,173 this weekend. As I say, Ethereum, as you can see, there is a lot of people buying Ethereum and stacking Ethereum to make RWR project, and the price is not correlated, so we should see quickly a big jump up on Ethereum price. And if we go up to 3,000, that will be the open date for the alt season on other tokens. As I told you, Chainlink booster, I think we're gonna buy some Chainlink and make some liquidity on this project, as they signed this huge partnership with Mastercard. That's amazing news, and that's also an amazing opportunity because Chainlink price currently is really low, but obviously we'll make in the close future a lot of income with this partnership. So that's a good opportunity. We also Fetch, which is an EA project. The owner of the project said they're gonna use 50 million to buy back the token, so that will maybe make the price go up. And we also have a second company, which is Interactive Strength, which say they're gonna buy back 500 million of this Fetch A token. So a good idea maybe to buy some more right now. The total available crypto market candle this week finished on top of the last drawdown of last week, which is really good for the trend. And we also has this cross between Tenkan and Kinjun, which is a good signal for me. The Bitcoin is getting back up to this range, which lasts since November 24. So the 93 104k is now up. So maybe we're gonna see by the 15th of July the price finally go up in Bitcoin to join a new all-time high. That's what I think. But we need to look at that because there is a new gap open on Bitcoin at 105. So if I want to get into a liquidity pool or buy more some Bitcoin, I will wait for the price to return to this price, and I think that will be the last and amazing nice opportunity to buy some Bitcoin at 105k. So what do we buy? We buy Syrup. This is the lending borrowing crypto for institution. As we told you, the Fed said that now the institution can buy crypto and they use Syrup. So look at that. Syrup blow up 51% in a week. Now there is more retracement. I will wait now to see the price at 0.43 to buy some more or put it into the liquidity pool. We make a video specific 2 weeks ago on this token. You can have a look at it on our YouTube or in this replay. There is also obviously Chainlink with this amazing partnership. Our target price is 87. The current price is around 13. So that's a 7x potential. I think I will buy it and we'll get it into liquidity pool. We're gonna see that in a few minutes. We finally have Fetch with this buyback, huge buyback coming. Our target price is $7. Now the price is at 0.77. It's an amazing opportunity for me to get in. Ethereum, we buy some more at 2,137. Now the price is at 2,400. We think the Ethereum will blow up. It's amazing. With maybe the news of the ETF in the next day, or also when we see so much volume on Ethereum is the basic of all RWA projects. So that's a nice opportunity. In terms of crypto, this is the inflow, as we told you. Last week, it's 2.1 billion up inflow. The past week was 2 billion, and the last third week was 1.8 million. That's huge. That's amazing. That's the main blockchain. So Ethereum price will definitely go up because there is a lot of momentum on Ethereum right now. A new tips: when you're on Defi now, you make leverage pool. If you don't know how to do that, you should join the club. We explain everything on it. And when the price go up to our enterprise, now we can set a stop loss. That means if the price go up, that's perfect, you make money yields. But if the price go down on your leverage, as there is now a stop loss, you will not lose any more in capital, and you make such an amazing 1.36% yields every day. So to set a limit order, just click there. We see explain all in details in the community if you want to get more. We suggest to get into Pendle. What is we make live on this project last Wednesday in the community. We explain why there is a nice correlation between the two assets, and we can make a 123% APR on this pool. And we finally have Chainlink, obviously, with also a nice correlation between Chainlink and Ethereum. When you look at the pool, you prefer to get into pool with more volume, like 2.5 million. This one 126k is not enough. 197k is not enough. It's on Arbitrum blockchain that we will get in. And with the range we sent in the community, we make currently 228% yield APR. This APR come in top. This is what we get by providing liquidity in pool for these services. And obviously, if Link price also go up, this will be in addition to this 228%. In terms of enterprise, we'll look at the price to go to $12.65 to get in. That's a good enterprise because we think the price will join the Tenkan. And we also explain in the community how the indicator of Ishimoku is working. I wish you like it. If you like it, just make a like. Also, you will have in the description of this video a link to join our community and to get all details. You will not be alone. Don't stop doing trading or losing money. Come to our community to make money with your earning 10% every month. That's the best way to be an investor and not a gambler anymore. See you in the community. Bye bye.